Hi everyone, this is Melissa Waterwall with Red Door Realty, your real estate advisor. I'm here today with Art Aguilar with Infinity Mortgage.
Hey guys, how's it going?
And he's going to talk a little bit about the pre-approval process, why it's so important, and how you go about getting that all-important letter. Art.
That's right. So pre-approvals, okay? So why do we get a pre-approval letter? So we get a pre-approval letter to find out what our purchasing power is before we start looking at houses, because we want to make sure that the houses we look at, that Melissa's going to go show you, are in your price range, right?
Right. We don't want to waste anybody's time. So we don't want you looking at a $200,000 house when you can't quite be comfortable with that amount.
Okay. And so with the pre-approval, there's three main things that us as lenders that we take a look at, which is your cash, your credit, and your income, okay? So what does that all mean, okay? So cash, how much money have you saved up for the purchase of your home? How much money do you have in reserves for the purchase of your home? All these little things as far as money is concerned are things that us as the bank look at, and we're painting a pretty picture so that the bank feels comfortable lending you $200,000 to purchase a home, okay? Number two, credit, okay? So credit, how much debt do we have? Is our credit good? Is it bad? What is our credit score? Is it a 550? Is it 650? Is it 750? What is that? So credit also depends on, determines whether you're going to qualify for some of these down payment assistance programs that are out there. Some of them, most of them are around a 620 credit score. So we as lenders will take a look at your credit profile to see what do we have to do to improve their credit score to get them into some of these programs, or what can we do to improve your credit score to get you out of these programs and make you maybe into a better loan position, so later on in the future, you're either into a conventional or a loan with no PMI or something like that.
So you're saying as a lender, you can actually help them increase their score to get a better loan deal.
That is correct. So we take a look at the different ways that we can get you qualified to purchase a home, and different ways that we can do to improve your scores to get you in a better financial position for you and your family. Okay, and the third thing that we take a look at is your income. Okay, how much money do you make? Do you make enough to purchase a $200,000? Do you make enough to purchase a $150,000? Some of these down payment assistance programs have income limits. You can't exceed certain. There's a threshold as far as how much money you can make to qualify for these down payment assistance programs. So there's a lot of those are the three main factors, but we try to take a look at your overall picture because every client's different. We're all different. We all have different lives. We all have different finances. We all have different debts. So we take a look at all of that information and try to paint the prettiest picture we can for you as a client to get you approved for a home loan. So we love to do that. Melissa loves to help clients. I love to help clients. It's, finding out the best way to get you guys into a home is what we strive to do.
That's exactly right. And the pre-approval process is so important. I know a lot of people tell me, I just want to go out and see what's out there right now, what I like first. I don't want to be homeless. I want to find my home first before we go through all that process. But you've got to go through the pre-approval process first so we know. And right now in this market, you cannot make an offer on a home. If we go out and find the home you love, you cannot make an offer on that home unless you have that pre-approval letter from a lender.
Right. And so that's what if you're interested in more information about any of that, we're more than willing to help you and guide you through that entire process, help you, coach you. We'll get you every step of the way. We have clients that we help in 30 days they're ready. We have other clients that it might take 6 months to 12 months to get ready. But the main thing is to get started on that process so that you can get into a home, because it's the American dream to get into a home,
That's right. That's exactly right. Well, thank you so much, Art. I appreciate you being here. You guys reach out to either of us at any time. Our information will be at the bottom of the video here, so you can reach out and ask any more questions that you like. Thanks so much for watching.
Have a great day.